Hello students, it's a good day. Our lesson for today is about eating for health. Go, grow, and glow. What is food? Food is something we eat that gives energy and nutrients to our body. Let me ask you questions and you can answer it right away. What is your favorite food? Or what food do you eat regularly? How about the food you like to eat on special occasion? Great. But can you tell me if you have experienced skipping meals? What will happen if you don't eat food? If you don't eat food, you will look pale and eventually you'll become lazy and weak. Children like you need to enjoy a variety of food for your growth and development. Did you know that the foods you're eating every day are classified into 3 groups? Let me show you the 3 basic food groups. We have Go Foods, Grow Foods, and Glow Foods. Let's start with Go Food. Go Foods are energy-giving foods. Example of these are bread, pasta, rice, cereals, and potatoes. These foods are rich in carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are food with sugars, starches, or fats. From the word go, it means you are ready to play, work, or move around because your body is full of energy. These foods help fuel our muscle so we can run, swim, and jump. If we do not eat enough Go food, we will feel weak and tired. Moving on, let's talk about Grow Foods. What do you mean by Grow Foods? Yes, by the word itself, grow, it means these foods are body-building foods. These are rich in proteins that help your body build new cells and therefore grow. Examples of grow foods are chicken, meat, fish, egg, cheese, and milk. This type of food helps build our bones, teeth, and muscles. Now let's move on to Glow Food. The last type of food. Glow foods are body-regulating foods. Example of these are vegetables and fruits. We get different vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables. These keep our skin, hair, and eyes bright and glowing. It also keeps our immune system strong so that we can fight bugs and viruses. Now let's recap. Go foods are foods that give us energy to help us go and be active. Grow foods are foods that help our bodies grow bigger and stronger. And glow foods are foods that keep our skin, hair, and eye glowing. These are the 3 basic food groups. That would be all for today. Goodbye, class. Thank you. Take a look at your activity for today.